I got 2 Cosmetics mystery bags and I want to share with you my overall experience with Cosmetics website.
Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's such a joy to see you again, especially because I'm recording the second video for today. So as I mentioned in my previous video that is already up, if you haven't checked that out, I will highly recommend because I have an exciting goodie bag from Cult Beauty. So that was the thing that I wanted to show you what happens when you purchase something and you receive a gift with purchase just for free, for just purchasing. But today we have a different case scenario. We are purchasing a mystery bag, which is a blind buy. I do not recall how much it was costing. It was available around middle of July, and I remember that I placed my order on July 19 and I received it in August. They had 2 mystery bags, and first I wanted to purchase the biggest one. I will put the prices on the screen because I do not remember how much they cost, but they also had a 15% discount for new registered members, and I was surprised to see that this is working towards even mystery bags. So I was able to save a bit, but with the shipping and taxes I think it was over $130, and this is what I got. This is the big bag and this is the small bag, and they were advertised that you are going to get 4 full-size products. So I was excited because I love Cosmetics brand. I only have 3 products from them: 2 blushes, 2 liquid blushes and a gloss. So I was hoping to get more and exciting products from them. And at the time I was also running the Charlotte Tilbury mystery bag. So I was thinking to get that one, but then I said I have a lot of Charlotte Tilbury products. Let's go ahead and try something new. Cosmetics, they do ship internationally, and if you are in Europe, you are also able to prepay the duties on the website, so you are not bothered by custom with any other custom declarations like it happens before with other brands. So I do appreciate when companies do that for non-US buyers. But one thing that bothered me, and also my friend Tracy, she's on Instagram, I will link her channel, her Instagram page down below. We purchased those bags in the meantime and we did not receive any shipping notification. So I remember back in time when I returned from Romania on August 31st, I contacted them and asked them about the status of my shipment. And they said, your shipment was dispatched on July 19, and they give me a link which was not working. It was towards a Australian shipping company, and when I clicked to that link I wasn't able to see anything. Luckily I remember that most of the US orders, when there is standard shipping, they are coming through a local courier here called We Do. So I have an app with that courier, and I was opening the app and I seen that I have an upcoming order. Long story short, we are not here to hear all my complaints about the shipping and everything. I want to stress about that communication from Cosmetics is not their strength point, at least from my experience, from my point of view. This is the smaller mystery bag. It came in a clear travel pouch. So I got a sticker: good luck, make magic. This is what I was hoping to get, one of the products to be a liquid blush. And what I got this highlighter, cushion highlighter. I'm not going to open it. This one, it's in the shade Aura. I noticed that if I'm going to open it, I cannot give it back because it is that kind of cushion product and it's sealed. So I don't want to do that. You also have a small mirror here and a sponge. Now my friend Tracy, she said she tried it and it's very subtle. So who knows, maybe I will keep it and use it, but as of now I do not know. The next product, it's a Everglass Lip Dew in the shade Tea. I absolutely love the packaging, but not so much the shade. Okay, it's not a bad shade, but this doesn't look so well on me. Anyway, I'm going to keep it. This smells like chocolate. The third product, this is the Pick Me Up Volume Plus Length Mascara. Love the packaging. It's a light lavender, or light lavender, it's a lavender or light purple shade. Please excuse my children, they are home, they have their summer vacation and they can be noisy. It's a matte packaging. It's made in Korea and this is what the brush looks like. I want to say that I absolutely love this mascara. It has blown my mind. First of all, I love this kind of brushes. It's like a plastic, not like, it's a plastic brush, and has tiny little bristles that they are able to coat your lashes. I have it on today, and every day since I've tried it, so I think this is like 4th or 5th time when I'm wearing it. I haven't met in my whole life a mascara that it doesn't transfer whatsoever. Even the tubing mascara, the one from Tarte, the tartlet one, that I also love it. That one still not transfer, but you may see at the end of the day small dot points like black points from the mascara. This doesn't transfer whatsoever, but also it's come off really easy. So I don't understand what kind of sorcery is inside of this mascara. And also it's during to apply, it doesn't clump. And the 4th product, I was hoping to be a makeup product, but first look what is here. It's a beautiful pouch, but it's not a makeup product. Those are earrings. Now those, I think they are not very pricey. Those are fashion jewelry earrings, which I'm not mad about. But when I'm purchasing from a makeup company, a mystery bag, I do expect to get makeup products, or at least makeup tools, not fashion items. So this is the small mystery bag that retails for this price. And then this is the bigger. So they had 2 sizes. This is the bigger mystery bag. This came separately, the bag came separately packed, and the products inside, they were wrapped in a bubble wrap. So I took everything off. This bag also has a strap if you want to make it long. Now maybe I will use this bag if I go to beach vacation, or it can be used as a makeup bag. But again, this was one of the full-size products. So 4 full-size products. This was one of them. So that means that we only have 3 makeup products. First of them is a blush. This is the Heavenly Glow Radiant Veil Blush. The packaging is very beautiful. The shade is Persimmon. Yeah. This is the packaging, and here we have the detailed information. Now it looks mostly like a sort of bronzer. I'm going to keep it, but I have doubts that it will look nice on me, but it matches the lip gloss. Again, a shade of a bronze, of a blush that I would have never purchased if it were by me. Then I got this Cosmic Pearl Dewy eyeshadow. The shade is Scorpius. This is the packaging. This is a gorgeous shade. I can see myself wearing. Oh, it's so creamy. Oh, you guys, this is beautiful. I can see myself using this all over my lid. Okay, my daughter just wanted to join me at the end of this video. So yeah, this is the shade. And the last product, so the 4th product, the 4th full-size product that I received, it's another mascara. The same with this one. So let me read it. It's the Pick Me Up Volumizing Volume Plus Length Mascara. So actually, when I've seen both bags, I was a bit upset why I'm getting mascara in those 2 bags. But after I use this one, I'm happy that I have a backup, because this is, as I told you, the mascara that has just blown my mind. I'm loving it so much. So yeah, $100+ for 2 products that I'm excited for, and probably the eyeshadow, even though I probably wouldn't pick this shade, but it's not a bad shade. And the blush and the lipstick, lip gloss, it's nothing that I would have been picked up. She wants to bring her unicorn. Stay tuned for that. Yeah, guys, I wanted to raise a awareness about purchasing mystery bags. It's not always a deal. It's mostly like you purchasing things that are not sold well on companies' websites. So they put everything together and they said, yeah, this is a great deal. Look how much you save by purchasing. So I think as of now, I'll be really reticent on purchasing mystery bags from any company. you are not going to see so many mystery bags on my channel, but you are going to see goodie bags like the one from Cult Beauty, because that is a deal. Now let me know what do you think about those mystery bags. Do you think they are good value for the money? Do you think it's meh, it's just a fail? So I will really love to hear that from you. And now my daughter has something to share with you. So this is her unicorn. What's her name? Lesia, and it's a talking unicorn, and she has just used her little baby body where has her name.
No, this is my dress that I be baby.
Yeah, it's your dress when you were baby, and she gave that dress to what's her name? Lesia. Okay, Lesia. So Lesia is a talking unicorn, and she received her as a present for her birthday. So yeah, my daughter and her unicorn Lesia together with me want to thank you for taking the time to watch. Do not forget that the most beautiful makeup is your own smile, and I'm going to see you really soon. Bye bye!